Hi, I'm Jo Wolf-Scott and I'm going to be one of the front of house judges at Top Door 2024. I work for Nestlé Professional as a coffee training specialist.
Hi, my name's Aaron Dunn. I am a coffee training manager in Nestlé Professional and I'm also going to be a front of house judge.
The first thing that we'd like you to do is to create a coffee-based beverage. Now this could be an iced-based beverage, it could be a hot coffee, it could be a cocktail that contains alcohol or not, it's up to you. We want it to be really unique and creative. But one thing is for sure, we want you to use our Nescafé Gold Blend Alta Rica.
So we'll be sending your college some of this coffee. On the front of the pack is a QR code which you can scan. It will tell you the sustainability message of this coffee, and then we want you to come along and share your ideas and your passion and your creativity of your drink and how you managed to create it. And here are a couple of ideas that Jo and I have put together.
So it's called a Mexican Mocha, and we're going to use a Nescafé Alta Rica, which is a Latin American coffee. Generally, Latin American coffees are very chocolatey, quite caramel tone, but they're also, interestingly enough, quite spicy. And we're going to use some chili, and we're also going to use some cinnamon in here as well. But what makes it really exciting is we've got some chocolate, so we've got some aero chocolate going in. So all of these should marry really well with our Nescafé Gold Blend Alta Rica. To start with, you're going to take your coffee, you're going to put a couple of spoonfuls into your glass. And to that we're going to add some cinnamon, just a pinch, and then some really spicy chili. I'm going to add in about 8 of those aero melts. I'm just going to add some hot water and we're going to blend that together. So we're excited to see what you guys come up with that will go with this coffee. So I've got some hot milk in here. I'm just going to add some hot milk to my coffee, and we're just going to top the coffee with some lovely whipped cream, and to finish off, I'm just going to add a little cinnamon stick.
So for my inspired drink, I've decided to do an iced cocktail based on an espresso martini, but with a little twist. I've decided to use vodka, which is from York. It's carbon neutral. So to start off with, we are going to add 1 shot of the Nescafé coffee. Then I have pre-made a after 8 mix using milk and after 8s and steaming them together to form a really nice minty, milky base for the beverage. And after 8 is my favourite chocolate, so this is also why I've decided to go with after 8. And then we're going to add 2 shots into the shaker. Then we're going to add 1 shot of vodka, and then we're going to add some ice. And then we're going to pop it in our shaker, and then we're going to shake it. I have also dyed some sugar using some green colour dye. Swirl it around just so that the sugar goes all around the rim, which is nice and green. And then we're going to pour our liquid mix into the cup. And then to decorate it, I've got some matchsticks here, which we are going to cross over the top. And then finally, we're going to add a bit of mint just to give it a little bit of garnish. And there we have it, our After 8 Delight cocktail.
For the next part of your entry task, what we would like you to do is set a table. Now your table needs to be for 2 people, and it needs to be inspired by your coffee creation. So think about all of the things you used in your coffee and perhaps use that in some way here to inspire you. So have as much fun as you want, be as creative as you want, we would love that.
So based on the theme of our coffee, me and Jo have come up with a Latin American inspired table. And just like Jo said, we want you to be creative as possible, and we really want us to show us your wow factor.
Most importantly, what we need from you is a photograph of your fully laid table, a photograph of your coffee creation, a recipe sheet that describes how to make your coffee. Don't forget to put the name of your coffee creation on the top, along with how you would describe it on a restaurant menu.
And finally, we'd like a 30-second video of you saying why you choose hospitality. Good luck.